our clamps. Check all your standoffs. Make sure all your gripper pads are on and tight. Then you'll want to put a part in. Then you want to make sure that the struts are tight. Make sure your flappers are good. Then we will put it in optional stop. Then we will start. And then we'll open the door. And then your part will be clamped. So then you want to make sure that you're having contact with the gripper pad and the part. With the clamp in the part, the gripper pad there, and then the clamp here. And then you can hit reset. And you should have contact with this clamp and with that gripper. Good. Then again, your flapper should be able to still be free. Your strut should be solid. Part should not move. Wiggle, not a little bit. All your clamps should be tight. And then to unclamp it, you'll hit your pedal. And then as long as everything's good, you can run.